I'm not excited. Oh God.
Why aren't you excited?
I'm a little excited. This is gonna be the first time that I've ever owned a PC. Ever since I ever knew how to operate a computer on my own, I've always been Mac. I've been Apple everything. It's unfortunate that the streaming community is not very Mac friendly. And I've learned that over the last 2 years. 2 years I've been streaming on my MacBook. And it's been great. It was great. Now I have gotten so far into this that my stream literally cannot operate on my MacBook anymore. So much so that my actual stream channel put together a PC fund for me so that I can keep doing it because it was not working anymore, unfortunately. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Let's go do it. So this one right here is the one that I was planning on getting, right? I had this one in mind. I had all my parts picked out just specifically for this machine, but it is gone everywhere. I'm not happy about it. You see, the thing is, this isn't for me. Watch out, or let the Porsche hit you, maybe. This isn't for me, just so y'all know. This is for the people. I only had to substitute the graphics card, the CPU, the case, the power supply, but I did get the RAM that I wanted, so, you know, I guess take any victory that I can get at this point. You can help me build it, Daph?
Absolutely not.
Alright, moment of truth. Oh, we got a light in there. We got a light up there. That's a good sign. I didn't get it on video, but I figured out what the issue was. You see all this junk? I basically just had some cables swapped around, and after troubleshooting and a lot of manual reading, I pressed the power button up top, and then everything lit up like a freaking Christmas tree. We're getting there. We're getting close. Okay, I am literally so tired that I can't even be bothered to go and get my actual camera to film this. This came in today. This little guy, this guy right here is going to be what replaces this guy right here. Okay, I said I wasn't going to film this part, but holy crap, I literally just got it out of the box, and This thing looks slick. Ooh, I don't even want to touch it. Oh no, I already... Okay, two things. One, I said that I wasn't going to film the building process, and two, I also said I wasn't going to get my actual real camera here. I lied. I'm actually getting really stoked about this. Oof. Update. I've been screwing these, I've been screwing these screws into the motherboard to attach it to the case. Nothing super exciting. It's 5 a.m. and I've lost all control of my life, but at the very least, I think the build is done. Moment of truth. Possibly, what does this even go to? Flip on that, Okay, so there's the first bit. Oh. I originally was just going to open this up and kind of get like the basic stuff started, but I don't know what happened. I don't know what came over me. What was that? Maybe 3 hours, 4 hours later? Absolutely worth it though. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep now, and tomorrow I will just keep working on it. All right. Good night. I can safely say with full confidence that I've lost all control of my life. Oh my god, how did we get here? I have been spending the last month just working on this PC. I have purchased parts, I have exchanged parts, I have upgraded parts, I have returned parts, I've ordered a lot more parts, and just when I think it's finally getting close to being done, there's just more things that my build just cannot live without. Okay, so some of these parts include, but are not limited to, things that are going to help make the PC perform better and things that are going to make it look better. Emphasis on the looking better part. So, that being said, one thing that I've noticed with my PC is my graphics card has been experiencing what is called sag. So I'm experiencing like a little bit of sag, so when it's supposed to be like this, it's actually kind of falling over to the side. So I got this guy. This is the Lian Li graphics card anti-sag bracket. Another thing is going to be from NZXT. Now this is a cable comb RGB accessory. Is it excessive? Yes. Is it necessary? Probably not. Is it worth it? Absolutely. In this case, we have another NZXT product, and that is their Air AER RGB fans. The last thing, the biggest upgrade, is going to be this guy right here. This is the Kraken Z63 water cooling pump thing that's gonna go and cool off the CPU of my rig. And okay, so enough with that, let's get started with putting the stuff in the thing. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start with is going to be the anti-sag bracket. Okay, so the funny thing about doing all of this is it sucks. I don't know why this is just not, I'm not getting it. I don't know why, it's just not coming to me very easily, but I think I figured it out. Again. It worked! RGB cable combs. Alright, gamers. So we did it. So we've already done all of this other stuff, and I figured, why don't we just go ahead and do this? You know what? There. It's open. It's open. Can't return it. Can't return it. Oh my god, here it goes. Yep. there it is. It's open. I'm excited. I feel guilty. I feel guilty doing it because this is the second most expensive part of the build. Oh god. But what can you expect from someone who owns 3 Teslas? I've given up on all production value of this project. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. This hopefully should be the very last part of this process. The last piece of this very, very intricate and very expensive puzzle is going to be this guy right here and this guy right here. What is it? I'll tell you. So, this case comes with these fans, right? Can you see that there's a fan in here? Nope, I took it out already. Okay, there's a fan that goes up top here. It sucks air in and then it pushes it out through the back. The case doesn't come with RGB fans in the back, but it does in the front. That I can't live with. I need them all to be the exact same. I don't think I'm gonna film this part. I've already filmed a lot of, like, me. Hey, don't look at my feet. Stop it. Stop it. I've already filmed a lot of me building this stuff. This is pretty straightforward. It's just a lot of cables going into the right sockets and cable management, so I'm gonna skip that part. So, we just installed the new USB thing. It's in there, don't worry about it. We installed the new fan up here, we reinstalled the fan over here, and we daisy chained the two, so I had to do some maneuvering around. But before I start packing everything up, we have to do the test. Okay, cool. So we got that guy. That's on. That's a good sign. And
Yay!
yay! Don't look at that. I have to fix that. But look, everything's on, and I'm not getting any indication over here that the boot was bad. It looks good. All right, everything turned on. Now I got to fix all of stuff.
Ow, stop.
What's that? What is that? Oh my god. Now I just have to put away all of this stuff and then, oh my god. Okay, I genuinely don't even know what day it is. I don't know what month it is. I don't know where we're at with this whole process, this whole timeline or anything like that. But what I do know, fortunately for me, for you, for Daphne, for Stella, this monstrosity of a project, 2.5 months of working on this guy, and it's done. I'm ready to take off the plastic, and this is a big deal for me. So until the new NVIDIA cards come out in September, and then I will most likely end up upgrading to one of those. But it's time to take it off, the plastic. We're gonna take off the plastic, and just like with any good PC build video, we've got to have one really solid peel. Look at her. Ooh, she kind of looks different now, huh?
Yeah.
And yeah, she's done. I'm excited. I've been loving it. It's been really, really fun. And at this point, the only thing that's really left to do is some good old slow motion B-roll.